Good evening. SE matrix for 9 marks. Part 3. Same question. Similar questions. Question number 2b. Write the equations in the matrix form. The equations are as follows. 5y minus 6x plus 4 equals 0 and twice x minus 7y minus 5 equals 0. There are two equations. 5y minus 6x plus 4 equals 0. Twice x minus 7y minus 5 equals 0. They are not in the form xy. So the matrix form is first of all write minus 6x minus 6 x coefficient, then y coefficient, then x coefficient, y coefficient. See, minus 6, 5, 2 minus 7, x, y equal transposing plus 4, minus 5, plus 5. This is the required matrix form. पहिला यसलाई x लाई अगाडि minus 6x plus 5y equal minus 4. Twice x minus 7y equal 5. Just cross multiply minus 6x plus 5y equal minus 4. Multiply row by column twice x minus 7y equal 5. This is the required condition. This one. Another 2b similar question is evaluate. Means find the numerical value. I just write a b a plus b c b plus c a c. Actually 0. Just by inspection it is 0. How? Just evaluate a square minus b square plus cross b square minus c square plus c square minus a square, cancelling all plus and minus 0. Answer. Question number 2b. Write in the matrix form. Evaluate. The answer is 0. Another question. Question number 7a. Solve using the Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule, solving. The equations are as follows. X plus twice y equals 7 and twice x plus y equal 8. Twice x plus y equal 8. How to solve? Solution. This is the question. You don't need to. In the exam, you don't need to write down this question. Directly, question number 7a and solve in this way. X plus twice y equals 7. Twice x plus y equal 8. X, y left side, number right side. What is the determinant? D. D for determinant. So determinant is just coefficient 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1 coefficient. 1 into 1 minus 2 into 2. 1 minus 4 minus 3 is the determinant. dx. dx निकाल्नको लागि यसलाई सोध्दिनु. जस्ट यो सोध्दिनु. यो सोधेपछि यहाँ मान्नु यो राइटको जुन 7 8 छ यो 7 यहाँ लेखौं. 7 अपनी 8 यो यसको मुनि लेख्ने 2 1 यसरी लेख्ने. See 7 2 8 1. 7 2 8 1. Now modulus or determinant 7 into 1 minus 8 into 2. 7 minus 8 to the 16 minus 9. Right up, left down. dy. Determinant y. Y यसलाई सोध्ने. Just यसलाई सोध्नु त 1 7 2 8. 1 यसलाई सोध्नु 1 7 2 8. 2 8. Right up, left down. 1 into 8 minus 2 into 7. 1 into 8 8. 2 into 7 14. minus 6. Determinant 1 to 2 1, determinant minus 3. 7 to 8 1, determinant minus 9. 1 7 to 8, determinant dy minus 6. So what is the value of x? By rule dx by d. Dx value minus 9 by minus 3, 3. And y equal dy upon d. Dy equal minus 6 by minus 3, 2. Therefore, x equal 3, y equal 2. Answer. Just you can check the answers in few seconds. Actually, x 3 2. Yeah, equation 3 plus 2 into 2. 2 to the 4 3 7. Answer right here. 2x plus y. 2 into 3 plus 2. 2 3 is 6 plus 2 8. The answer is correct. How to solve? D 1 2 2 1. 1 into 1 2 into 2 minus 3 dx यसलाई हटाउने यो 7 8 लाई यो x को ठाउँमा राख्ने जस्तो 7 8 यसरी पनि लेख्ने यसको ठाउँमा 1 2 भन्ने ठाउँमा 7 8 भर्टिकल पहिला कोडहरू 2 1 यहाँ लेख्ने 7 1 is 7 8 2 is 16 7 minus 16 minus 9 dy y भनेपछि y को यस्तो हटाउने यो छोप्दिने के देखियो 1 7 2 8 1 7 2 8 1 into 8 minus 2 into 7 8 minus 14 minus 6 x equal dx by d minus 9 by minus 3 3 y dy upon d minus 6 by minus 3 2 x equal 3 y equal 2. Answer 7. Question number 7b. Find the inverse matrix of the matrix cosec alpha, cot alpha, cot alpha, cosec alpha. This is the given matrix cosec alpha, cot alpha, cot alpha, cosec alpha. How to find the inverse matrix of this? This is the question. The solution is this. This is the matrix. Let A, the matrix is suppose cosec alpha, cot alpha, cot alpha, cosec alpha. You can use either this bracket, large bracket or small bracket. You can use for alternative way. You can use the small bracket. This is the given matrix. What is the determinant? The determinant of this is cosec alpha, cot alpha, cot alpha, cosec alpha. Now find the determinant. How? Cosec into cosec. I just write down cosec square alpha, cot into cot, cot square alpha. From trigonometry it is 1. Inverse. Adjoint A or directly A inverse equal 1 by determinant A. And then here position change. Cosec is same sir. Position change. Cosec यो सेम भएर मात्रै यो यता गएको यो यता गएको पोजिसन चेन्ज सी पोजिसन चेन्ज पोजिसन साइन है पोजिसन पी साइन एस पीएस है पीएस पोजिसन चेन्ज साइन चेन्ज अब साइन चेन्ज गर्दा यो माइनस प्लस कट माइनस कट प्लस कट माइनस कट अल्फा सिन्स 1 by determinant is 1 by 1 cosec alpha minus cot alpha minus cot alpha cosec alpha 1 ले डिवाइड गर्दा के हुँदैन त्यसैले यसलाई सेम सारौं cosec alpha minus cot alpha minus cot alpha cosec alpha This is the inverse matrix. Find out modulus or determinant 1, position change, sign change, modulus 1 same हो, position change, sign change गर्दा cosec alpha minus cot alpha cosec alpha is the inverse of this matrix. If you multiply A and its inverse, A inverse, it is 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. Again, question number 14 solved by the matrix method. Matrix method solution. How to solve by the matrix method? I am going to write down the question which I have written by the matrix method. 6 upon x minus 2 upon y equal 1 and 2y minus thrice x equal 2xy equation number 2. See, are they in the same form? 6 upon x, तल x छ, यहाँ तल y छ, यहाँ माथि y माथि x छ, xy छ. यो इक्वेसन 2 लाई चाहिँ यसको सल्भ गर्ने तरिका. Solution is this: 6 upon x minus 2 upon y equal 1, equation number 1, and twice y minus thrice x equal twice xy, equation number 2. Equation 1 is okay. Dividing equation 2 by xy, xy ले दुवैतिर डिवाइड गर्ने, dividing both sides by xy. यहाँ के हुन्छ त 2y upon xy minus 3x upon xy equal 2xy upon xy. Dividing both sides by xy, because x is not 0, y is not 0. Y cancel, x cancel, or 2 upon x minus 3 upon y equal 2. Yeah, 2y बने ठाउँमा 2 by x, 3x बने ठाउँमा 3 by y, 2xy बने ठाउँमा 2y. Dividing both sides by xy. Now, this is equation number 2. Equation number 1, 6 by x minus 2 by y equal 1. Equation 2, 2 by x minus 3 by y equal 2. Writing the equations in the matrix form. How to write down? 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. It is a 2 minus 3. Yeah, x तल छ. 1 upon x, 1 upon y equal, I guess 1 2 or ax equal b or x equal a inverse b. This is a, this is x, this is b. Remember what is x? You write down for the sake of convenience. A equal, I पछि चाहिन्छ यो 6 minus 2, 2 minus 3, a, b, 1 2. Your capital X, 1 by x, 1 by y. You can remember. Now, 6 upon x, 2 upon y. तल x, तल y छ. यता इक्वेसन 2 मा चाहिँ यस्तो छ, माथि छ. भने यो 2xy मा यो xy लाई हटाउनको लागि dividing both sides by xy. They are in the same order, same form. Can you remember what is there? A inverse. Now what to find out? A modulus or determinant A. Determinant is 6 minus 2, 2 minus 3. Left, see, 6 into minus 3 minus 2 into minus 2 minus 6 3 is 18 minus minus plus 4 minus 18 plus 4 minus 14. A equal modulus A equal minus 14. Then A inverse 1 by modulus A. See, same sign. Position sign 6 minus 3 minus 3 6. Position, right? Position यसै position change, sign change. Plus 2 plus minus को minus plus minus 3 2 minus 3 यो position change गर्दा minus 3 6 यसो भयो. Plus 2 minus 2 minus 2 plus 2. A inverse equal this. A inverse. We know or we have X equal A inverse B. We have already got it. X equal A inverse B, or X equal, what is the value of A inverse? 1 by, see, 1 by minus 14. This one is minus 14 minus 3 2 minus 2 6. So X equal A inverse, or it is better to write down here, or X equal A inverse equal minus 1 by 14 minus 3 2 minus 2 6. What is B? What is B? 1 2. Can you remember what is B? B मा के छ हेर्नु त एक्चुअली 1 2 छ. B भनेको राइट साइड नम्बर छ 1 2 छ. Or X equal minus 1 by 14 row by column multiply. This row column minus 3 into 2 minus 3. You is 2 into 2 plus 4. This into this minus 2. 6 2s are 12. What is the answer? Minus 1 by 14 4. 1 you 10. 1 10 है यो त minus 14. Or X equal, X means 1 by X 1 by Y equal यसलाई गर्दा minus 1 by 14 यो अपन यो गर्दा minus 10 by 14. हेर्नु त यो minus 1 by 14 ले यसलाई इन्टु गर्दा minus 1 by 14 minus 1 by 14 into 10 गर्दा minus 10 by 14. Or equating like terms or like elements. What are the like elements? 1 by X equal minus 1 by 14. 1 by X equal minus 1 by 14. Therefore, X equal minus 14. 1 by Y and 1 by Y equal minus 10 by 14 means minus 5 by 7. Cutting. 1 by Y equal minus 1. Therefore, Y equal invert 1 upon Y, Y upon 1, 5 by 7 go minus 7 by 5. What is the answer? The answer is, therefore, X equal minus 14, Y equal minus 7 by 5. See, यसमा अलिकति फरक छ. के गर्ने भन्दा फर्स्ट इक्वेसन तल x माथि y छ. सेकेन्ड इक्वेसनमा y x र राइट साइडमा xy छ. सो डिभाइडिङ बोथ साइड बाई xy. त्यति गरिसकेपछि बल्ल फर्म्याटमा आउँछ. राइट इन द म्याट्रिक्स फर्म ax equal b, x equal a inverse b, a modulus, find out a modulus, a determinant, find out a inverse 1 by modulus a, determinant a, position change and sign change, and you can find the value. In the, at last x means 1 by x 1 by y. यसमा कन्फ्युजन नहुने. कहिलेकाहीँ x माथि y तल, कहिलेकाहीँ x तल y माथि, कुनै बेलामा x र y दुवै माथि, कुनै बेलामा दुवै तल, कुनै बेलामा x माथि y तल, कुनै बेलामा एक्स तल वाइ माथि हुन्छ, अलिकति यसमा हेर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ। सेम फर्मेटमा राखेर यो निकाल्ने। यु क्यान पुट द भ्यालुज अफ एक्स एन्ड वाइ इन द गिभन इक्वेसन्स, वेदर दिस इज राइट अर रङ, यु क्यान इजिली चेक द एन्सर्स। ओके।